Understanding contract versus toll manufacturing in intra-group setup. Welcome all. Today I am discussing the distinction between contract and toll manufacturing. In the complex ecosystem of global businesses, companies separate manufacturing from functions like R&D and distribution. This separation necessitates a strategic approach to intra-group arrangements. Well, what is contract manufacturing then? Contract manufacturing is where the principal outsources production to another entity within the group. This entity not only manufactures the product but also sources the raw material, bearing the risk related to cost, quality, and supply. Then what is toll manufacturing? Toll manufacturing simplifies this model. Here, the principal supplies the raw material and manufacturer focuses solely on production. This approach minimizes the manufacturer risk, keeping raw material, procurement, and intellectual property firmly in the principal's hands. Key distinction between contract manufacturing and toll manufacturing. The main difference lies in who supplies the raw material and who bears the associated risk. Contract manufacturing offers a comprehensive solution with more risk to the manufacturer, while toll manufacturing provides a focused service with the principal maintaining control and risk over the raw materials. Strategic consideration. Choosing between contract and toll manufacturing requires careful considerations. Factors include risk tolerance, cost implication, desired control over the manufacturing process, and the importance of protecting the intellectual property. Whether to lean towards the comprehensive approach of contract manufacturing or the focused simplicity of toll manufacturing, the right choice aligns with the strategic priorities, operational objectives, and risk management framework. Thank you all for watching.